there, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to film for you guys a Dollar Tree haul. I haven't filmed the Dollar Tree haul officially. I've showed them sort of in vlogs, but in a long time because I haven't really been to the Dollar Tree a lot lately, just because it is a bit of a trigger for me to spend money and I like to be thrifty, right? So sometimes spending money willy-nilly at the Dollar Tree is not a wise decision, but with the changeover of seasons and you know, Christmas coming up, I wanted to check out their Christmas decor. So I've got a bit of a Christmas haul for you, my first Christmas haul of the season. I've seen some hauls out there already, so I don't think I'm too early. So let's just hop right in. So the first thing that I found that I had never seen before was this coppery type tin. I've seen these tins before in like a stainless sort of finish, but I've never seen it in copper. So I thought this warm color would be really nice for Christmas time and stuff like that. So I picked this one up there. Then I picked up two of the Christmas picks that you've seen. I picked up one with the little pine cone there. I might deconstruct this and use it for crafting, or I might leave it as is for decor. So I thought these were pretty cute looking. I thought they could be used in a number of different ways. So I picked up the two of these here. Then I picked up this, which I was super impressed with. I thought this was pretty cool looking. I feel like you could find something like this in like Anthropology or something like that, but maybe Pottery Barn, I don't know. Anyway, for $1 or $1.25 in my case, I thought this was pretty cool. There are some sort of little sharp edges because this wire is, you know, it is from the Dollar Tree, but I just really thought this was a pretty neat piece of decor, and so I was happy to pick that up. And not Christmas related, but my kids go through Band-Aids like crazy, so I picked up a pack of fabric Band-Aids. We've had pretty good luck with Band-Aids. My kids like them not when they're actually cut, but just because they pretend to be cut. So buying them from the Dollar Tree is a good idea for me. So got those there. Then jingle, 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 I picked up some of these little Christmas bells. I don't know how I'm going to use these yet, but definitely for some Christmas crafting, so I was happy to find that. Then I was really happy to find this sign here. I'd never seen anything like this before, at my Dollar Tree at least. So it is a wooden sign. They had a couple of them. I think one said welcome, and maybe one said love or something. Anyway, I really liked this one here. It says believe, and I thought this would be really cute for around Christmas time. No matter what you believe around Christmas, I thought this was a good little thing here. You could paint this, but I think I might leave it as this natural color, and I'm going to turn it into a little piece of wall art for some DIY coming up soon. So if you want to see that, let me know in the comments below if you want to see some Dollar Tree DIYs, because I like doing them, but it seems like you either like them or you don't. So let me know if you're interested in seeing some Christmas Dollar Tree DIYs. So I will share those with you if you are interested. I found 2 packs of Christmas cards. We like to just like take a photo of usually the kids in sort of Christmas gear and then pop them in a card, and that's what our Christmas cards are like. So this one says it's the most wonderful time of the year, and I really just like that handwriting there, and it's just blank on the inside. And then this one, I also like the handwriting, shaped like a tree, and it just says we wish you a Merry Christmas, with cute little gifts at the bottom there. So I was happy to find these 2 here, really affordable. I think there's how many? 14 Christmas cards in there, so I think that's a great price for $1.25. I picked up 3, these were actually from the Dollarama, but I think you can maybe get them from the Dollar Tree too. Anyway, I picked up 3 of these string lights, like the LED lights, and this is the shape of them there, but I tested them in the store and I really like them because they are the warm light. I really like warm light at Christmas time. I can't stand that like blue cold looking LED light. So anyway, I tested it in the store. Like they had the little button you can press and they give off a really nice light. So I picked up 3 of them. They're battery operated. Need to put in my own batteries, but they were $1.50 each for each pack. Next, for Christmas crafting, I picked up this wooden board here, just in the shape of a Christmas tree. So I'll be doing some DIYs with that as well, and we'll share with you if you want me to. Next, not Christmas related, but gifting related, I found 3 Disney cards. So the first one is this little one here. It's a Bambi card. Someone Small and Sweet is 1. So there's a 1-year-old card there with Bambi. I found this Chewbacca card. Probably use that for Jude because he likes Star Wars. Although he's never actually seen the actual movie because we're too, we don't think he's old enough yet. So anyway, this is a Star Wars Chewbacca card. And then next I found The Incredibles, and it's this one here. So anytime I see Disney at the Dollar Tree, I am tempted to pick it up, especially when it's things like cards that I can actually use. Then I found 2 gift bags. This one here says Best Day Ever. And I really am so happy when I find gift bags that don't have glitter all over it. And then this one here says Cheers, and it doesn't have any glitter on it. So I thought these looked pretty expensive looking, and so I was happy to find these at the Dollar Tree. Then I found a learning book for Miriam. She's been working on her alphabet at school, and she's really loving it. And so I thought this would be helpful for her to start working on actual penmanship, and it's Disney themed, so I know that she will like that. And so anyway, I thought that was a good little find for Miriam. I guess Jude could use it as well, but mostly I thought for Miriam because she is so in the, you know, trenches of learning and printing out the alphabet right now. So got that for her. Then I picked up another one of these Jenga knockoffs, like the Tumble Towering game. I've been seeing Jay from J Money DIY. She has been using these for a whole bunch of different DIYs. I'm gonna link her down below because I think I forgot to link her last time I talked about her on my channel. So anyway, I'm gonna use this for a DIY that I have in mind, so stay tuned for that if you want to watch. I found this Christmas card as well. Such beautiful handwriting there, and it says, Christmas is our season of wonder, for generosity of spirit, for being refreshed in the joy of God's gifts. So I really liked the design just around the edge with this black background. And when I find things like this at the Dollar Tree, I get kind of giddy. There is a little bit of sparkles on it, but I'm not gonna hate on that. So anyway, I really love this. I'm gonna use it actually for a DIY. So that is that. Then you've seen these hauled everywhere, and so I picked up these buffalo check fleece little scarves. I picked up 2 of them. I have some designs in mind that I want to use these for, so I got those. A couple more things. I just found these goodie hair elastic or hair ties. They're clear and they are pretty stretchy. They seemed pretty good quality, so I found these mostly for Miriam, but my hair's getting kind of long, so what the heck? I just saw that I had a 50-cent sticker on me. So I don't know how long that's been there. If it's been there a while, I'm sorry, but anyway, I just found that. So anyway, I found these for Miriam, but I also found them for myself because my hair is getting a little long, so sometimes I like to pull it back. And then the last thing I found, this was from the actual Dollarama, but it was also $1.25. I really just thought it was so cute. So it says, have a holly jolly Christmas on there, and it's just like a ornament that looks like a gift tag. So I'm not really sure how I will use this, but I just thought it was really cute. Apparently I really like handwriting, so everything I picked up has this sort of handwriting on there. So anyway, I was happy to find that at the Dollarama. And so that is the end of my haul. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you like my Dollar Tree hauls, let me know in the comments below. And maybe I'll try and put up them more frequently, just because you know, I stayed away over the summertime, but I was happy to go back and find some cute things. So maybe I'll go in with, you know, certain budgets and try and stick to them. So anyway, all that being said, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you aren't subscribed to my channel and you want to see more videos from me, then please consider subscribing, and we will see you guys in the next one. Bye!